So we have Bradley Houk with us. We have Bradley Hook with us. He is the Senior Engineering Advisor for ExxonMobil Group. Hello, sir. My first question to you is that how are these disruptive technologies helping the industry, especially the oil and gas industry, the lubricants industry, to move ahead?
Well, if we're successful in the open process automation area, uh, we'll do a lot of things for the industry from the standpoint of lowering the total cost of ownership for our automation area. We'll also unlock a lot of value from being able to easily and rapidly deploy new applications. Um, One of the things we're challenged with today is actually pushing the advanced applications we want down to the edge because the edge is a closed proprietary system. As we move to open standards-based system, we'll be able to drive those applications down to the edge, and we think that'll bring a lot of value.
Can you point out some of the areas where these IIoT technologies are being used, and especially the sectors in the oil and gas industry?
So I think we need to separate the effort we're doing on open process automation versus the larger IIoT area. What we're specifically focused on is the control area, um, which is a subset of the overall IoT. Uh, what we're doing is trying to develop an ecosystem and a set of standards that allow openness on the distributed control side. So we haven't achieved it yet. So I can't point to any examples of where it's working. I can point to examples where we think we will use it. We'll use it to open up our system and add more value by getting more applications down at the edge.
Can you delve a little bit more into the open process automation of ExxonMobil and how it is helping the end user customers?
Well, so the open process automation activities are still in the development stage. We're on our journey. We started this in the 2010 time period. We created working with the Open Group, created the Open Process Automation Forum in 2016. Earlier this year, the forum released their first version of the standards. We think it's another 2 years away before we have a full set of standards. Once those standards are in place, suppliers need to produce products, and then we'll implement those solutions. So we're still a couple of years away from actually being able to impact manufacturing.
Now, automation is one of the biggest end user industries. Lubricants, the role of lubricants is changing a lot because electric vehicles are coming and various other things. So I want to know how the IIoT technologies will change the lubricant processes evolve to meet the future demands.
I'm not really qualified to answer that question, sorry.
Right. Can you talk a bit about India and its acceptance towards digitization and IIoT solutions?
Well, I think India is a huge market when it comes to automation. It's a growing market when it comes to manufacturing. We're seeing lots of interest. Even today's conference was a good example of tremendous interest in open process automation. We're real happy that both Reliance and Tata Consulting Services are part of the Open Automation Forum. We expect to have some additional participation over the next couple of months. So I think India is coming to the table to participate as we transform the industrial automation area.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you.
I'm not sure